Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Range Rover Evoque Autobiography. So from any screen, you've got home there, you've got home, menu, whatever, and over here you've got telephone. If you click on telephone, you'll see there it's come up with a phone that shows the phone. There's nothing connected to it at the moment. Brings a menu up of all the phones that are on there, and then you just click delete. Delete Barry's iPhone Pro. Yep, that's it gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Range Rover Evoque Autobiography. So first thing we do is make sure Bluetooth is on, like so. Then we're watching out at the bottom. We go over to the system, we click the telephone. It comes up on the menu, search new because there's nothing connected to it. Click on there, vehicle to device. Just looking for the phone. I've just deleted it from this system, so no doubt confused it a little bit. Taking longer than it would normally. It's usually very quick. So hands-free, that will probably change in a second. Oh, no, that's somebody else's. That's somebody else's Bluetooth there, Ford Audio. So here we are on the screen here, Barry's iPhone 13 Pro there. To pair and connect phone, enter 0985 on handset. 0985. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. Connecting to Barry's iPhone 13 Pro. Where are we? Be on here somewhere. Got that many. Phone connected. Range Rover connected. That's it. Okay, I'll just show you how to play music from your phone through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Range Rover Evoque Autobiography. So your phone's paired to the system. All you need to do, you go to your music. If I click on this record that's playing there, I'm going to turn it down, but at the bottom there, the silver triangle and the silver circles, I click on that, look. That's the options that you've got to play your music from this phone through at the moment. So there's iPhone, there's a tick next to Range Rover. Anything I play, any audio I play on this phone will come through the speakers if I've got it set right. So I'm going to turn it down, then I click on the musical symbol there. At the moment it's on auxiliary. What we need to do now is click the plus next to source and then select my phone there or your phone, whatever. Now if I click play and then I turn this up and turn this up, that's how you stream audio. Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2016 Range Rover Evoque Autobiography. Any screen, you'll see here, if you're on menu there, all you have to do is click over here. That brings the sat-nav up. If not, if you're on something else, all you have to do is click this arrow in the circle, brings it up again, and then you've got destination entry. So we want postcode, we're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, Preston, P R 5 4 E A. Now the Range Rover system's really good. There you go, PR54EA. Even though it's only got 2 digits, it knows that there's a gap in the middle. Some you have to put a space in, but no. Now we click go. Destination has been set.
Please follow the highlighted route.
That's it. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching.